Today I will be painting something on Nara boards. You must be seeing a mirror image right now, but when I'll turn the camera on the other stand, you will be able to see properly. So this is a newly launched product by Nara. It is, as they have told me, it is made of premium MDF board which has been laminated on both the sides with white laminate, and it is quite stain proof, so you can keep reworking on it again and again, and it's available in 4 sizes. So let me just turn the camera towards my table so you guys can see while I talk, and then let's paint something. I had asked this question that what you want me to paint today, so I got a lot of replies saying ripples and lines, so maybe that is what we'll do, and I have not planned anything, so let's see. So all the products that I use are already there on my Amazon list on my profile. So if you see which dryer I'm using, which alcohol I'm using, so all these things are listed in my Amazon list. Please check it out so that you don't have to worry. So right now they have launched the boards in 4 shapes. One is hexagon, 10-inch diameter hexagon, then this circle, then a small rectangular shape which is 10-inch by 4.5, and then the big square 10 by 10-inch square. So it has 2 sides. They have on one side the sticker is there of Nara boards, and they have given these holes for screwing them. So I have the screws. I misplaced them right now, so I will show them to you later. So this can, a screw can be put over here to hang it directly, and the other side is a clean white surface which is laminated, so this can be used directly on this side. So which one shall I use to paint today? Of course I love the circles, as you have already seen so many times in my Instagram. So which one shall I pick, the hexagon or the circle? With a little bit of alcohol, because there is some sticky residue here and there, so I would always use some alcohol in a spray bottle to put some alcohol on the surface and wipe it clean to get rid of all that in case there is some sticky residue on the surface. Even I was thinking, because the circle shape is going a little out of my camera size, so I will wipe this hexagon as well before I start. And today I have not planned anything. I will just go with the flow and we'll see how that goes. So you see some stickiness is still there, so I will put some more alcohol here to get rid of that sticky spot. I intentionally did not clean it before the live so that you guys can see that you might have to clean it a little bit before you start. Okay, so now it's nice and clean. The colors, of course, that I've taken out today are Nara. I will use my favorite. So some of these colors that I've taken out are, this is my absolute favorite color which I use almost every day. I've used 2 bottles of this, and Starlit Hues, Navy Silk, these are all my favorite colors. So I always like to put some alcohol first on the surface before I start. So I'm putting some alcohol. Let me also put a little bit of gold on this. So right now I'm not reading any questions. I will read them afterwards, or you can send them to me on my Instagram DM. And I'm putting some pink color first, and maybe some blue, and let me just start drying it in lines and see how it goes. Some more alcohol is needed because it's not flowing so much. Let's see the progress so far. This is how it's looking. Wow, it's looking so pretty, and there are like a million lines over here. Okay, so now let's see if we can wipe and make something else in some other direction. So let's try that. I will take out a tissue and what say if I, okay, let's first reactivate some portion and not wipe it. So I will be using this tool. It's there on my Amazon list. So whichever tool or product that you're wondering is not there, I mean you don't know about, just check that so you don't have to worry. And I will use this tool to slightly rub on this so that this portion starts to move again. And let's see how that goes. Okay, so that's how it's looking so far. So all the guys, I think somebody is asking about the dryer, and just check my Instagram, what do you call that, links that are there in my profile. Just watch that and you will find the dryer over there in Amazon, under Amazon. Okay, so now I want to wipe some of the parts. Let's see how that goes. So I'm wiping this. I'm putting alcohol on top of this, and I'll use a paper towel and I will wipe it. So it's like, it's absolutely clean. In my opinion, it's even cleaner than how Nara paper wipes. So it's even more cleaner than that. Let me just show you. Do you see that there's absolutely zero staining? It's like, even on Nara papers you will see more staining than this, but over here there's absolutely nothing. Let me make something more over here. Now let's see, what shall I make? Maybe something like this. So let me just show you how this is looking. Someone is asking how much do they cost. They're available on Nara Papers website. I think they have a set as well as I don't know, just check the pricing. It's close to, I think, 1,000 rupees or something. I think it starts from 500 onwards. Okay, so I was using the heat tool. It is a heat tool. It is not like a cold air tool. It is hot. So I sometimes even burn my hand with how hot it becomes. And thank you so much, Blending of Colors. Thank you, Isha. And if you have any questions, you can ask me now. How do you decide to use the tool? I just go wherever the inks take me. I don't think so much about it. About varnishing, there is a piece in my blog, so just check it out. How do you seal and protect? Yeah, so that is there. I do not use resin. And about the tool, I think all of you have so many questions and I can't answer all of them. So, just check out my profile. There is a link and it has all the products listed. So just check it out. You will find the tool that I'm using and you can purchase from there as well directly. And thank you so much. I'm so glad that you guys enjoyed. Do try out at least once. You will notice the difference in the board. It works somewhat like a ceramic tile. Synthetic sheet. Bubbles on your synthetic sheet. Okay. Is your heat tool very hot? Because if it is too hot, your sheet might warp the paper. So instead of that, try out a dryer which is not very hot, which is lower than 600 or 700 watts. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that all of you came to watch me. What kind of paper is required for alcohol inks? I usually use Nara papers and Yupo paper. So depending on what technique you want to go for, you can use. I use dryer on the first mode. I rarely ever use the second mode of this dryer that I have. These boards are available on Nara Paper's website, and even a 1000-watt dryer works. I use 1000-watt as well. So it all depends on how much practice you have. Okay, so this is the dryer that I'm using. It's there on my Instagram links. Process. Yes, exactly. You can work on a ceramic tile as well. Thank you so much. Alright, so I will stop now. No, I do not teach resin, but I can recommend some very good artists. So just let me know if you are interested in learning. I can recommend others. And thank you so much. I'm going to complete later on. I will share the pictures of it right now, but I will complete the composition, take my time and decide what I want to do next to it. And so this is how it's looking, although it's looking quite pretty to me, but I think I need to work some more on this. Okay. All right. Thank you so much and happy Holi.